Good. So my name is Michael Randolph. I'm with the Center for Nonprofit and Community Development. Uh, this class tonight is part of ongoing series of classes on how to start a business. These classes are paid for by the Tampa Housing Authority that focus on individuals that are low to moderate income and getting their own business started. We've had quite a few classes so far. So I want to ask one of my students tonight a question, and she's got to do it on the top of her head. I didn't, do pre-questions or anything like that. What do you think goes into pricing when you want to price something in your product? What goes into making that decision as to what and how you set your price?
Competition.
Okay. Anything else?
I would say competition with your competitors, and basically, you're using pricing to cover your expenses for the business as well to make a profit.
So good. That's a good throw in. So what are we going to learn tonight? We're going to learn, first of all, how do you set your price? How do you calculate what the cost is? How do you assess who your competitors are? How do you compare pricing and marketing? How do you use the 4 Ps when you look at how to market a particular product or service? And the 4 Ps are product, place, promotion, and price. The other thing we want to talk about is the different types of pricing. Scheme pricing, presentation pricing, leader pricing, premier pricing, differential pricing, psychological pricing, and discount pricing. So as you can see, there are a number of different types of strategies on how you price something, and we're going to go to that type of strategy a little bit later on in the presentation. The other thing we want to talk about is the different type of pricing models. Those models are going to be cost-based model, your customer-based model, and your competitor model. We're going to learn about what is variable cost and what is fixed cost, and then finally we're going to talk about what is a break-even analyst. So as you see, that's a lot of stuff that go into how do you determine the price. So let's get started and find out how do we determine what the price is for a particular product or service.